In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Inbox in Todoist. Let's start by quickly explaining what the inbox is. In Todoist, the inbox is your default landing place for any new task or idea. Think of it as a temporary holding area. Whenever something pops into your head and you don't yet know where it belongs, you drop it into the inbox first. Later, you can organize those tasks into projects, add due dates, and set priorities. To get started, open Todoist on your device. This can be the desktop app, the mobile app, or the web version in your browser. Once Todoist is open, look for the section labeled Inbox. It's usually visible in the main navigation panel on the left side of the screen, or in the bottom menu if you're on mobile. Tap or click on Inbox to open it. When you open your inbox for the first time, you may see some helpful tips or a short introduction on the screen. These on-screen prompts are there to guide you through the basic setup. Take a moment to read each message carefully. They might explain how to add your first task, how to edit it, or how to complete it once it's done. As you follow the on-screen prompts, you'll likely be asked to create a sample task. Click or tap in the task field, type something you want to remember, and then save it. This shows you how quickly you can capture ideas in your inbox. The exact wording of the instructions might vary slightly depending on whether you're on mobile or desktop, so just follow what appears on your screen. While you're going through these prompts, try a few basic actions. Add a new task, then click into it to see your options. You can assign a due date, add a label if you use them, or move the task into a specific project. Remember, none of this changes the steps you're following. You're simply making use of what the prompts already show you. Once you've completed the on-screen guide, your inbox is ready to use. From now on, whenever you think of something you need to do, open Todoist, click on Inbox, and quickly add it there. Later, you can review your inbox, organize your tasks, and plan your day. That's all there is to getting started with the inbox in Todoist. Click on Inbox and follow the on-screen prompts until you're comfortable capturing and viewing your tasks.